Here in this video, we'll talk about YAMLint. YAMLint, it's a software, it's a small script where you can use to validate your YAML file. Let's first of all check our YAMLint version. YAMLint version. I already installed it. You have a version 1.37 here. Okay, before that, we can just create a small file, a small file where we can call it test, .yaml file. Okay, that's our file. Okay, I can just put some error here. For example, I put the image here. Come here. Okay, I put, for example, the image here, and I go here. I let so well. Let's save this file. Let's save this file first of all. Okay, let's cut the file to see the file. If you really have our configuration, what we have done. Okay, it's that's the file. Now let's run YAMLint again. This new file, YAMLint test file. If the file is validated, we are just to put like that, the YAMLint and the name of the file. And we'll see, we have two errors. As you can see here, we have two errors. You have here errors regarding the trailing space. We put more space on it, and you have too many blanks flying. And now let's fix that and run again the file. This output come always from YAMLint. Let's go back and correct the file. So the thing now, we have two trial here. First of all, we put the image. The name on the image is not correct. We don't have this one. The image is in it. And here also, you see, you have a character. You have to delete this one, this blank link. And let's save this file again and go out. And now let's try it again to run YAMLint against our file. Test.yaml. And you see, nothing happened. Nothing happened. That means the file is correct. It's correctly implemented. And here, as you can see, we have no error. That means that the issue is fixed. Our test.yml is compliant as YAML file. That is it. Every time if you had a headache with your YAML file, just download this. I can say this tools, and you can run it against your file, and you can see the error. It gives you some idea about the errors. That's all.